Imagine a world where you could unlock your body's natural ability to burn fat, heal itself, and rejuvenate from within, all without spending endless hours at the gym. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. This is the story of how fasting, paired with the right foods, can transform your health and reshape your body. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and explore the fascinating science behind this process. The magic of autophagy, your body's self-cleaning mechanism. Picture this. Deep within your cells, a meticulous cleanup crew is at work, breaking down old, damaged parts and recycling them into something new and functional. This process is called autophagy, a term derived from the Greek words auto, self, and phagon, to eat. Literally, it means self-eating, but don't let the name scare you. It's a vital process for maintaining cellular health. In 2016, Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his groundbreaking discoveries on autophagy. His work revealed how this process helps clear out damaged organelles, misfolded proteins, and other cellular debris, essentially giving your cells a fresh start. But here's the kicker. Autophagy doesn't kick in until you've gone without food for at least 16 to 18 hours. That's when your body, having exhausted its glucose reserves, turns to fat for energy. Autophagy isn't just about fat loss, though. It's linked to a host of health benefits, from slowing aging and reducing inflammation to protecting against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, allowing it to repair, rebuild, and thrive. The fasted state, your body's fat-burning mode. Now, let's talk about the fasted state. This is the period when your body hasn't received any food or caloric beverages for 8 to 12 hours. During this time, insulin levels drop, and your body begins to tap into its fat stores for energy. Think of it as switching from burning gasoline, glucose, to diesel, fat. When you're in a fasted state, your body transitions from using glucose as its primary fuel source to burning fatty acids and producing ketones. This metabolic shift, known as ketosis, not only fuels your cells but also boosts mental clarity and energy levels. It's why you don't wake up feeling drained every morning. Your body has been quietly burning fat while you slept. Fasting isn't just about weight loss, though. It's been shown to improve metabolic health, reduce inflammation, and, as we've already seen, activate autophagy. But how do you get started? Let's explore the different fasting methods and how to choose the one that's right for you. Intermittent fasting, a gateway to fat loss and wellness. Intermittent fasting, IF, is one of the most popular approaches to fasting, and for good reason. It's flexible, sustainable, and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. Here are a few common methods. The 16:8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., then fast until noon the next day. The 5:2 method. Eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories to 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. Eat stop eat. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. But fasting isn't just about abstaining from food. It's about giving your body the time it needs to repair and rejuvenate. And while fasting, certain foods and beverages can enhance the process, making it easier and more effective. 6 foods to supercharge your fasting journey. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's dive into the 6 foods and beverages that can amplify your fasting results and activate your body's fat-burning mode. 1. Green tea, the autophagy activator. Green tea is a fasting powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants like epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, it boosts metabolism, enhances fat oxidation, and suppresses appetite. But its real superpower lies in its ability to stimulate autophagy, helping your body clear out damaged cells and regenerate new ones. Whether you prefer green, black, or herbal teas, these beverages are perfect companions during your fasting window. 2. Black coffee, the energy booster. A cup of black coffee, hold the sugar and cream, can be a game changer during fasting. Rich in antioxidants and caffeine, it boosts energy, enhances fat burning, and even stimulates autophagy. Studies have shown that the polyphenol in coffee can trigger this cellular cleanup process, making it a must-have during your fasting period. 3. Grass-fed meats, the protein powerhouse. Protein is essential for rebuilding and repairing your body, and grass-fed meats are an excellent source. They're packed with high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which supports fat loss and reduces inflammation. Incorporating grass-fed meats into your diet can help you feel fuller longer and maintain muscle mass while fasting. 4. Avocados, the healthy fat hero. Avocados are a fasting-friendly food loaded with monounsaturated fats, vitamins, and minerals. They provide sustained energy, stabilize blood sugar levels, and support autophagy. Plus, their creamy texture and rich flavor make them a satisfying addition to any meal. 5. Bone broth, the nutrient-dense elixir. Bone broth is a fasting staple. Made by simmering animal bones and tissues, it's rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals that support cellular repair and fat loss. While it's not a true fast, bone broth can help suppress hunger and extend your fasting window, making it easier to achieve your goals. 6. Whole grains, the fiber-rich fuel. When it's time to break your fast, whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice can provide the nutrients your body needs to thrive. High in fiber and essential vitamins, they support digestion, keep you full, and enhance autophagy. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation and within your eating window. The bigger picture: fasting as a lifestyle. Fasting isn't just a tool for weight loss, it's a way to reset your body and mind. By extending the time between meals, you give your body the opportunity to heal, repair, and thrive. And when paired with the right foods, fasting becomes a powerful ally in your journey toward better health. But remember, fasting isn't for everyone. If you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant or nursing, consult a healthcare professional before starting a fasting regimen. And always listen to your body. If you feel unwell, break your fast and seek guidance. Your turn. Are you ready to transform? So, what do you think? Are you ready to embrace the power of fasting and these 6 transformative foods? Imagine the possibilities: a leaner, healthier body, sharper mental clarity, and a renewed sense of vitality. It's all within your reach. If you found this story inspiring, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips, recipes, and insights to help you live your healthiest life. Now, over to you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What's been your experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey starts today.